Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is CNT and CIKS inaugurated at IIT Guwahati. Recently, the Center for Nanotechnology, that is CNT, and the Center for Indian Knowledge System, that is CIKS, were inaugurated at IIT Guwahati by Union Minister of Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Dharmendra Pradhan. Two hostels were also inaugurated at IIT Guwahati on the occasion, Disang Hostel and Dikho Hostel. A book on NEP, that is National Education Policy 2020 implementation, was also released at the institute. Moving on to the information about CNT, that is Center for Nanotechnology. CNT aims at meeting future challenges and augment academic partnerships with industry in nanotechnology. It will host 25 laboratories that will focus on advancements in multidisciplinary and scientific research. It presently hosts two centers for excellence sponsored by the MeitY and the Indian Council of Medical Research. The key outcomes expected from CNT include nano-enabled healthcare, capacity building of highly skilled manpower, etc. Shifting towards CIKS, that is Center for Indian Knowledge System. The Center for Indian Knowledge System will focus on preserving, documenting and sustaining the knowledge that is unique in the country. Scholars from different backgrounds will be encouraged to participate in the new center's research and education programs. Top priorities include Indian classical music, yoga, Sanskrit, traditional medicines, temple architecture, and herbal plants of the Northeast region. Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Guwahati, was established in 1994 and is the sixth member of the IIT fraternity. It holds excellent positions in various international and national ranking systems. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.